Ikot sa gitna. Slow. Good. Slow. Good. Yes. Wow. Good.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating Marine Corps. Please be seated. Pero naging MC lang. Pero anyway, at this juncture, we're going to have a welcome address to be given by our Vice President of Mount Malinda Eagles Club, Kuya Edgar Zail Revilo.
Mount Malinda Eagles Club President Kuya John Quabo Blanco. President of Bukas Ryan Eagles Club, Kuya Martin Fernando. Fernando.
Others, the great members of Neo inductees. It is with a great pleasure and honor that we gather today to celebrate the induction of new members of Mount Malinda Eagles Club.
Take your solemn pledge and commitment
Tan big brand mga
to
viewers.
uphold the ideals
Ngit kayo.
of our order. Remember that you are dwelling a legacy of moral faith and compassion. Our fraternity is built on the pillars of friendship, charity, and benevolence. Through our collective efforts, we strive to resist.
Muni upaw nga mga gwapo sa Agila. Mga ka-viewers, raw mga upaw. Mga kabo.
Corpus Brian E. Gary T.
Across this wondrous landscape, for strength and power in eternity.
Frosty Yaskin.
Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly.
Simbit Michael. An eagle and a lady eagle. Please remember the essence of egoism. Egoism is a state of relationship or building relationship. Members must have to primordially develop a deep sense of strong brotherhood among every eagle. Why? Why we should develop that? We should develop that because we have one objective, and this objective is to serve. Our guiding principle is service through a strong brotherhood. We have a commitment to our community, to our country, and to our fellow eagles. Therefore, you must respect and support each other as brother in this fraternity. Obey the Constitution at any given times in the Eagles Magna Carta or Eagles Constitution. Love God with all your hearts. Develop and exercise the spirit of Alalayang Agila. Show good example in the community because we are law-abiding citizens. Equip your family with all aspects it needs, the spiritual, the physical, emotional, and financial. Attend monthly meetings in your club and participate in all activities of your club. Pay your obligation always in your club, regional and national. Last but not the least, let us not forget, being an eagle and a lady eagle, let us look our fellow kuya and ate at each other with the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. Are these all clear applicants?
Yes, sir.
Mahina. Are these all clear applicants?
Yes, sir.
Are you now ready, applicants?
Yes, sir.
Eagle, Regional Governor, Kuya Gov Zaldi J. Gaminar of the Western Mindanao Region 2 of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Kuya Gov, may I humbly present to you the 9 applicants of Mount Malindang Eagles Club. After having undergone and completed their mandatory orientation seminar, or the Orients, given by the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, or PIL, conducted on May 18, 2024 at Labuyot, Tangub City, Philippines. For and on behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, or PIL, I am now highly recommending to
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Oath of member. I state your name. Having consciously freely applied to as a member of Mount Malindang Eagles Club, a club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagle, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, and believing in its capabilities as self-reliant, first Philippine-born fraternal socio-civic organization, and the capabilities of my club to carry, to pursue, and ideas of the Philippine Eagles, do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times the same Eagles Magna Carta, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles and my club, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagle Delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate mission of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealing with my club, with the national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations. Atong
Congratulations mga kuya and ate.